Yo, what's up guys, this is Michael. Back in another video. As we said earlier, we gonna make a Netflix clone today. Wait. We are not gonna type out like others do. We are going to teach you in a different manner. Stick around, I will show you how. Sorry guys for interrupting. A few days ago we launched our website. Just check it out by tapping on banner. Well, let's get into code. Add all these dependencies in order to import video player and card design. In this clone I have used in website poster, so I am adding HTTP protocol. If you are adding local poster, just ignore it. Add your assets. In assets folder I have added font, and in images folder I have added Netflix logo and Netflix icon. You can see that I have a local poster. I am using local poster just to show you how to add your local images. Heading over to main.dart, just import the following stuffs. I have created a method. I am using a stateless widgets in order to change the widgets dynamically. Add a navigation bar color. Make the debug show checkbanner as false. All this will be in home screen. Heading over to home screen.dart, import all this stuffs from dependencies. Create a stateful widget and create a state inside the widget. Add all this variables in order to create a widget. Here I am gonna initialize a state and fetch information from that state. Now I am gonna initialize the app bar. That is when you enter into the home screen, app bar will be visible. Once you scroll down, the app bar will be hiding. Alright, so right here I am getting the posters from the server, here I am getting from the movie DB. In order to use this method, get the API key from the host. There should not be local host. If you are using local host it won't work. Here API key is important. Alright, so right here I am adding up the containers. Initializing the photos from the server and making it beautiful. I am adding out buttons like watch later, play, and wishlist. At the same time I am adding up the drama title and so on. In movie.dart I am just adding the necessary titles and aligning it. Alright, we are about to end. Now I am just finishing up the rows and column tabs. So in this clone we have made the design, we did not add any movies. Comment below, we shall make it in the next video using Firebase. Peace. We have completed a Netflix clone within 4 minutes. Source code is in the description, check it out and stay tuned with our community. Alright, so it's just a reminder, just look on our website. We have posted a lot many source code plus 3D model and so on. Check it out and stay tuned with our community. Thank you guys.